Here are 5 things that you should look for before buying your rental property. Let's get to it. Tip number 1, location is everything, you guys. So this particular property is right next to a school, which is great for renting. People who lives here would send their kids here. We get amazing tenant profile. So make sure you're in a very good location. Tip number 2, understand cash flow. When buying a property, you have to make sure the property takes care of itself for all its expenses, including property taxes, insurance, utilities, and people don't consider vacancy. That has to be factored in as well, and then obviously the mortgage payments. Tip number 3, always make sure there is room to force appreciate the value of the property and build more equity. Here in this particular property, we're doing quartz countertop, new paint around, new vinyl floor to be able to increase the value of the property and also get a good tenant to be able to rent the property out. Tip number 4, you guys, it's always make sure to put a right tenant. Whether you have to wait a little longer and decrease the rent a little bit, always make sure you get a perfect tenant for your property. If not, that would break or make a deal. For example, if you have a shitty tenant, they don't pay the rent, they make this place a shit show, you're done. Otherwise, if you have a good tenant who's paying you a little bit less even, but takes care of the property homely and dearly, you're good to go and you have great investment. Now, tip number 5, this is a long-term game. So you have to hold this property long enough and build the equity there and make sure you're refinancing this, getting on to the next one, keep adding more properties to your portfolio and grow this and have rental income. And the best part of holding these properties is because of the inflation, without even you knowing, there's going to be so much equity built in the property for you, and then meanwhile you can have a perfect retirement or the life that you always wanted. Now let's get to the tour and I'll show you what we're doing on this particular property. So this particular property, guys, it's a full duplex, so meaning it's side by side. There's 2 properties and it has a basement. So in total, once everything is done, we would have 4 units. This particular one came with decent flooring, so we don't have to do much flooring there. But we are painting all the baseboards and trims. As you can see, we just spray painted all of that. Kitchen, it already had quartz countertops. The 2 kitchens on both sides is in good shape, but the basement kitchen was trash, so we had to take it out. We can show you some B-rolls for the kitchen itself in the basement. It's kind of dark in there. We're still putting the egress windows, bigger windows and everything like that. So obviously we'll be putting in new appliances, stainless steel. Tenants love it. It tends to increase the value quite a bit for your property as well. And then on the floor you have 3 bedrooms. In the basement units have 2 bedrooms each. You have walk-in closets. As soon as you walk in, you have a mudroom closet space to hang your jackets and everything. This is more like a linen closet space. And in the washroom, we're not doing as much on this side, but the other side we're putting your vanity and tub and etc. So this particular property, we bought it for $750,000, probably spent $60,000 to $70,000 total, but this would be worth close to $1 million. So this was a great buy. We bought it on the market, and there's so much force appreciation that we are doing here. So if you guys want to learn more about how we do things here, or also want to get into these kind of properties and hold it for cash flow or flip it and whatnot and learn more about it, make sure to get in touch, and we'll talk to you soon for the next time.